going on YouTube? This your boy B Dot back with another quick video. Alright fellas, I got something really cool for you guys today, man. Something new from Cut Buddy. You guys know I do a lot with Cut Buddy. I love the Cut Buddy tracer pencils that I use for my cheek line when I'm doing my beard lineups. Been working with Cut Buddy for a lot of years now, man. So you guys, I will put the links down below so you guys can go check out that Cut Buddy pencil. But they just came out with a clipper and trimmer set. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys the little box right now, the whole little set in general. And it's a 34-piece clipper and trimmer set. It's something new that they're doing. And what I'm going to do with this video is I'm hoping a lot of guys that just starting off on this beard journey, this clipper set is going to be perfect for a beginner. That's going to be probably in the title somewhere. This is perfect for a beginner. I did a video about 3 years ago. I think I called it a beginner's dream tool as far as the Cut Buddy pencil and the stencil in general, the whole Cut Buddy set. A lot of guys like that video. I don't really necessarily use the stencil that much anymore because I've been doing my beard for so long now. All I need is a tracer pencil. And even still, I do that for you guys, is to show you guys how easy it can be so you don't mess up. Sometimes I don't even really need it, but I still use it for the videos. And I got the clipper set right here. And this is the set right here. And it's a 34-piece. But again, this is a beginner clipper set. So for you guys out there that can't make it to the barbershop right now during COVID, you're doing a lot of stuff at home right now with your hair and your beard, this would be the perfect tool to get for $65. Now $65, you're getting all of this, 34-piece. And I'm going to go through this whole box and show you everything that comes with it. And also, if you guys go to their website, again, I'll put all that down below. Also go to their Instagram at the Cut Buddy on Instagram. And I think they have a few sets remaining. But the good thing about it is, going forward, I think February 21st, they'll be in Walmart. So if you guys aren't following them, man, go check them out. Of course, this is the Cut Buddy. They were on Shark Tank. They were on HDTV. You know, they're doing stuff on there as well. So definitely a cool and up-and-coming company. I will highly recommend the tracer pencil tool and the stencil tool for beginners. Now, once I get into this clipper set and show you guys how that all looks, you guys can make your decision off that. But for $65 for everything that's in this set, what is this? A 34-piece set for $65. That's like unheard of in the beard world. Now, of course, we know we can go out there and get clippers. One clipper, one trimmer by itself is $60-something. You know, one clipper by itself is $70 to $100. You know what I'm saying? So this is definitely a dream tool for a beginner. Now, I was going to be all fancy and show you guys a little separate screen to show you, but I'll go ahead and pick up the laptop. As you guys can see, available at walmart.com February 21st. This is their IG page right here. So February 21st, this will be in Walmart. So to you guys that try to order it and can't get it off the website because they're sold out or something like that, because this is an awesome deal. So I'm not sure how many they got left, but definitely check into it. But don't be discouraged, because February 21st, 2021, you will be able to get this. So now I'm gonna start off with the Cut Buddy Barber Perfect Beard Haircut Trim and Shave Guide. Of course, you guys all know about this. I've done videos on this in the past. This is the tracer pencil right here that come with it. I already got about 2 of these actual stencils right here, and I got a lot of these pencils right here, and I'm sure they got some in the box as well. So I'll probably be giving this one away to one of you guys if you guys actually want it. I wasn't sure what this was, but I think it's like an exfoliating brush. I'm gonna open this up. Bear with me. You know, I'm sure it's good for the skin underneath the beard. You might be able to actually use it with the beard washing your beard and do something like that with it, like an exfoliator. But more than likely, use it for your skin, top of your head, when you ball your head out, get some of the dry skin away. This probably be perfect for that. So this is really cool. This is one of the pieces right here that came with it. I'll find some way to put this stuff. It also comes with a handsome carrying case for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Nice little case. Let's go and open this up. It's like a little clipper bag. You know, you can keep some stuff in here. Like keep some guards in here. Keep your couple tracer pencils right here. Put your clippers right in the inside of that. That's really cool. It also got a zip in the inside right here. You can put something in there. So it's a cool little bag, cool little traveling bag right here. Try not to make this video too long, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is the shaving razor professional, what does it say? The ultimate shaving experience. It's a really cool straight razor right here. Let's open that as well. I should have probably opened all this stuff before the video, but that's the Cut Buddy logo right there. That's real slick. So you just drop your blade off in there, close this back up, latch it together, and then you got your straight razor shaves. I like the little design of it with the little finger hole right here. Probably makes it easier to do all that. I'm not sure where you would put your finger at. Never had one like this, but I'll get that down. I'll definitely use it to really get that sharp cheek line after you use the Cut Buddy and the tracer pencil and the clippers. If you still don't really see it to being as sharp as you want it to be, come back with the straight razor. All right, now you got your little pocket comb that also comes with it. This is one of those little flip pocket combs. Has a little clip on the back to put on your pants or something like that, so you don't lose it. As you guys see it right here, of course, with my beard and my beard texture, of course I'm not using this really on my beard. This would definitely be just a mustache comb for me. But again, to you guys who are starting off on this beard journey, 5 o'clock shadow, maybe a month into your growth, you still able to comb it like this here, this would be perfect. Again, this is some more speed tracer pencils for haircuts. Man, get out the package. All right, this is it's a little round brush right here. You know, I'm sure it's like a boar's hair. I'm not really sure. I haven't done my research on this brush yet to see what it's made of. But I'll put all that information down below for you guys as well. But yeah, this is good for when you're trying to get your line right. So you want to always brush your beard into some type of desired how you want to start your cut or your lineup, I should say. And then you come back now with the clippers, line up, all that kind of good stuff like that. So this is a perfect tool for that as well. And again, this is all for the beginners. This is all for the guys just starting off, man, who just left No Shave November. They just came on this journey trying to get their beard in order. This is the perfect thing you want to grab for $65. All right, guys, now we have the Cut Buddy Cutlass Clipper Kit, coreless. You know what I'm saying? Not sure who was that on there, but as you guys can see, this is a cool little clipper that's seen on Shark Tank. As you guys can see right here, you got the guard attachments, you got the clipper, you got some oil over there, a brush, and it also comes with like a rechargeable battery. So I've already cut it on once, so it's already one of these in there already. So that's the first time I've ever seen a clipper with a battery, so that's pretty new to me. And this is the clipper right here. As you guys can see where the battery goes in at right here. And it also has a display window, so you guys can see how much time is left on there, you know. And this is how you adjust it right here. It's a little dial right here that you just twist. Put my sampling sunglasses on, man. See what's going on over here. There you go. All right, so we got 0.8, 1.1, 1.4, 1.7, and 2.0. Just starting off, like I just said, $65. It ain't breaking the bank. You get you a nice clipper. Now, of course, we're going to go ahead and use it in there and see how it works. I'm not a beginner, but hey, I definitely use it. This is the Cut Buddy hair trimmer. As you guys can see right here. Now again, I have sort of saw these kind of things on Amazon and I wasn't sure about them. As you guys can see right here, this is like a little trimmer, liner I like to call things like this. But they're going with the trimmer and it has a little protector on here. Just pull that off. I might try to take this blade off and put it in my zero gap tool and actually try to zero gap this blade. As I can see right now, without my sampling sunglasses on, it looks pretty close, but it's not completely zero gapped. This also has a USB charger, and here's the guard attachments that this comes with a brush and also a little oil as well down here. Oh, as a matter of fact, here I am over here talking crap. Here it is right here, USB. So this is the USB right here. So you just plug that in, charge this up. You probably use the same one to charge up the other clipper and you're good to go. You just turn this on right here down below, a little button. Has a little blue light on it, as you guys can hear. So again, with all the attachments and everything that comes in this set, that's your 34 piece clipper and trimmer set from the Cut Buddy. And again, I'll put all the links down below so you guys can go check this out. Again, $65, man. You're getting all this for $65. I don't know anywhere else where you can find a deal like that. So let's just hope that the clippers and everything perform the way we want them to perform. Again, just because we're talking about a beginner clipper, you still want something that's going to be solid. You know, you don't want something that's going to fall off the counter and just break and shatter. You don't want something that's going to break after a couple uses or get jammed up in the blades with hair. You know, you want it to continuously work for you no matter the price point. So we definitely got to keep that in mind as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this video right now, but I will again put up a little B-roll so I can show you guys how it lined up my cheek line, hit the neckline. I don't really have to do anything with my hair right now. Thanks for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And I'll holla back. Peace.